We are all responsible for caring for and looking after the Earth. The Earth influences our lives and our lifestyles. Geoscience Australia is the part of the Australian government responsible for our knowledge of the Earth.
We are the people that provide earth science information to sustain our lives and manage the environment. We also get to work and connect with some amazing people and places.
We are the organisation of where, or where on Earth. And that's important because everything happens somewhere. Earth science makes Australia what it is. Dazzling landscapes of natural beauty are central to our identity. Earth science helps us address the challenges facing Australia and enhance our opportunities now and into the future. And it's so much more than just the rocks that we can see.
When you flick a light switch, when you turn the tap, when you order your home-delivered pizza, Earth science contributes to all of these. Most of the materials that go into electrical circuits and wiring come from the Earth. Copper and gold and aluminium are all extracted from the Earth, whether they are newly mined or recycled and reused. Because of the transition to green energy, the resources needed to manufacture wind turbines, solar panels and electric vehicles include cobalt, manganese and lithium. We are using more of these materials in quantities that we have never used before. Earth science is essential to ensure we have enough of these materials to support a sustainable future.
Earth science is even in your car in ways that you may not have considered. Not only do we need resources like aluminium and steel to build cars, we need rare earth elements for the engines. We also rely on earth science to ensure we don't get lost while driving. Earth scientists, technologists and engineers are working to make global navigation satellite system accuracy the best it has ever been. They are working to make location information accurate to the centimetre scale. This will allow autonomous cars to know exactly where they are relative to the gutters and trees. It's also really important to ensure that your pizza doesn't get delivered to your neighbour.
Observing the Earth from space is becoming increasingly important in monitoring changes to the environment. Using satellite images that have been collected for over 3 decades, we can make observations and analyse changes to the Earth. For example, we can see how coastlines have changed over time, including if there has been a net loss or net gain on your favourite beach, or how the mangroves in Northern Australia are bouncing back after being affected by a really strong El Niño event. Earth observations from space can also help pinpoint the precise locations of potential bushfires in real time, helping emergency services respond as quickly as possible.
Water is one of our most precious resources. Understanding where water can be sourced is one of the most important applications of earth science in Australia. To understand this, we need to be able to look beyond the visible surface of the Earth and into the subsurface. By transmitting a signal or vibration through the Earth and measuring the returning signal, we can build an understanding of what is likely to be underground. We can create maps and models that show groundwater potential, helping Australia become more drought-proof.
Earth science can help solve just about any problem or challenge that we can think of. We have barely scratched the surface of all the varied and fascinating contributions earth science makes. Because earth science is everywhere and for everyone.